So if you want it to stop, pull it back.
Okay.
You want to be stopped. Very nice. So we're doing
Wake up, I'm right here, been howling at you.
Just had the most refreshing shower I've had in the last 6 weeks. The water so hot.
One by one,
The pressure so perfect. I
and it's a cut
feel so good.
trapped in my mind, but I don't know. I think of your hands on my body and they feel nice. Just one more night, and there's love pouring out my eyes and onto your.
You said you're gonna make
I'm wearing the most great outfit one could possibly wear, literally from head to toe, and I'm also freezing. Air conditioning gets me every time. I'm currently waiting for my breakfast. It's already 20 minutes late. Not to be a stickler for time that I planned on eating. And now that I'm waiting for my food, I feel restless. But anyways, we are in Ibadan. I've never been here before. It's my first time in the city. I typically would say that if I'd like visit Nigeria, I'd either be in like the center or in the east, or yeah, those general areas. Do I know my geography? Probably not well enough to be saying this, but anyways, it's always a fun experience going to a new city, and also I just like really want to be able to explore Nigeria a lot more, so this is really exciting. We plan on going to the National Museum of Unity today in Ibadan. They have a section on Igbo culture and history, and then also I'm going to tour the rest of the museum because why not. And yeah, I'm just really excited to bring you guys along for that. But first, food. So hopefully my breakfast comes soon, and I'll be bringing you guys along with me on our little trip. It's actually not up to a week, it's like 4 days really, but I'm gonna bring you guys along anyways. So yeah, happy Sunday. And we're actually gonna start with church online, and then we're gonna get ready for our day out.
In indigo color, and this is cocoa powder with starch. They will mix and shake. That is the making of our pot.
reality backyard now. I begin to hear some small picking cry. Time I remember say, you can take out when we all live for this compound.
Okay, sorry for the background noise. The kettle is currently doing what kettles do, but we just got back from a pretty enjoyable day, I would say. We went to the National Museum of Unity, which we couldn't go to yesterday because I had an interview come up, a very exciting and important interview, so that was fine. At the end of the day, I was very happy to do the interview, so we went to the National Museum today instead, and I wasn't expecting a guided tour. I kind of just wanted to look around and see what they had that was like in relation to Igbo culture. I know, like, ideally Ibadan's not the place to do that because this is Yoruba land and not Igbo land, but I was just curious. And we got like a pretty thorough tour of all the gallery sections, and I feel like they were really stressing the unity between or not unity but similarities, and thus like making an argument for the unity between the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. We looked at like musical instruments, ritual pots, like all these different things, and they were kind of just like, look, see how they're all so similar, we're so similar. And like that was kind of the sentiment, but like it was an enjoyable tour. And then after we went to the Agodi Gardens, and my absolute favorite part was getting to ride my little horse. I have wanted to do horseback riding or to like try riding for years. I always tell my friends I think I'm a horse girl at heart, but I've just never had the opportunity. So I said, since we're going here and they have a little place to do that, I'm gonna try it. And it was fun, and I think I would like actually want to learn how to ride like properly. That's not feasible right now and on this trip, but in the future I think that's something that I would really want to do. But yeah, after that we just like, where did we even go? Food mainly, and like that's our food. So we're gonna eat now because we're probably feeling restless and hungry, right, Mom?
Can I come out now?
You can come out now. I was hiding off so I could film my little thing. Anyway, okay, I kind of had a little spill there, so that's my bad. But we have puff puff. I feel like I look kind of ghostly, but anywho, we are heading to the gym. I haven't worked out since I left New Haven, and I miss it. And I think I just need the like relief of exhausting my muscles. Not that I haven't been doing work, because walking up and down these streets is that, but a proper gym moment. Also, I don't think I ever showed you. I don't think I've shown you our view, so I'm gonna do that right now. This is our view. There's a school just over there, and it's always so fun because I can hear the kids playing. Other than that, it's so serene.